Apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is very popular in the culinary world. This vinegar is also a favorite ingredient in a lot of recipes. But how does apple cider vinegar aid in weight loss? In this video, we'll look at the benefits of apple cider vinegar and how to incorporate it into your daily diet to get the best results. For a long time, many people have used apple cider vinegar as an effective way to lose excess weight. This method of weight loss is also beneficial to circulatory health. Because it has no side effects, even children who are obese can use it for excessive weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is created by fermenting apple juice. Fermentation produces alcoholic apple cider, which is combined with oxygen to produce acetic acid. The pH of apple cider is extremely beneficial to one's health. Apple cider weight loss has numerous advantages, including a high concentration of minerals, vitamins, and other beneficial substances. It contains almost all of the vitamins necessary for good health, including vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin P, vitamin B1, B2, and B6. Drinking apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits. It can help you control your blood sugar. It can help you burn fat faster. It can help you feel full if you drink it before a meal, causing an appetite suppression effect. Vinegar has been shown to prevent fat accumulation. Vinegar has also been shown to have an impact on insulin secretion. It helps to regulate your skin's pH and can help with acne and warts. The pH effect is also responsible for your body's detoxification and maintenance of a healthy alkaline pH level. So, how to use apple cider vinegar to lose weight? You don't have to drink a lot of it to get the weight loss benefits. Simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a cup of water and drink it 1 to 3 times a day, preferably before a meal. Some people also recommend drinking it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, after waking up and then an hour before each meal. Because apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, it must be diluted to protect your teeth, throat, and stomach lining. ACV should not be consumed undiluted. Apple cider vinegar will not help you lose weight quickly. The changes will be gradual, but they will be permanent. Allow some time and don't be impatient. Sometimes losing 1 pound a month and not gaining it back is enough to be considered a success. How quickly you lose weight is also determined by other factors such as exercise, nutrition, stress, and genetics. For the best and quickest results, combine this natural product with other weight loss techniques, so that the function of vinegar is supported by some real lifestyle changes. Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.